Here we come to the Skybridge elevator at Memorial City Mall that serves Memorial Hermann and the Westin Hotel. It's an Otis Series 5. The light bulb's been changed. This is an updated take. Look at this. As you may notice, look how different this looks now. You see? There are new escalators right here. There used to be a full-on Skybridge all the way over there that connects to the mall, but they took that out. I don't know if the elevator serving the Cheesecake Factory exactly like this one is even still there anymore or not. It's just your basic elevator. It's just exactly the same like usual. Otis Series 5 fixtures. That's empty. I'll go for one more ride. Here we go. Now, before I end the video, I want to show you something. You may think this is only just 2 stories high, right? Well, think again. There's actually literally an open space in between. If you go up the steps, see, this is what the elevator car looks like. It's into the elevator shaft, but you can barely see in there. I'm not sure. Anyways, look at this. Look at this right here. See? There's literally another floor, and this is where the elevator cab entrance would be, right here. But look at this. See? This is an interesting. Look at this. There's literally one extra. There's like a literally extra space between the first floor and the top floor. See? Look at that. See, this is interesting. Literally an extra space. This is something. You see, the first floor is literally down there. I'm like literally in between floors, and the top floor is like literally up there. Anyways, before I end the video, I'm gonna get a better view into the elevator shaft. See, here's a view into the elevator shaft. You see the door equipment right there. I'm not sure if you're able to see the car top station right there. But that right there, oh yes. You can kind of see the car top station right there. See? That right there is the elevator car top. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and that'll be it.